Hi everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures, and today we are at this beautiful location overlooking Mount Rainier, and we're going to test out Anymaka portable hammock system. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I love camping, and I tried out various different types of tents, cots, sleeping pads, stoves, and other gear that are more related to car or tent camping because I don't do backpacking or hiking. After all, I just want to drive out to a nice quiet area like this place and relax and spend some time in solitude. And that's how I manage my stress from my busy daily life. And that's just what I like to do. But I'm sure if I hiked up to a remote location, I could probably get an amazing view of the mountain or a beautiful lake view, and it'll be mind-blowing. But just the thought of hiking up miles into the mountain carrying all that gear is, well, kind of stressing me out already. Maybe I'm not that hardcore nature goer yet. Also, I'm a big car guy, so I get pure joy when I drive on the forest roads and finding that perfect spot. You know, that's just big excitement for me. And maybe the feeling is the same for someone who hikes miles into the mountain and finding their perfect spot. Anyways, so after trying out various camping gear, one thing that I really wanted to try while camping was a hammock. So I purchased some portable hammock system on Amazon, and after putting it together, I immediately returned it because not only it was heavy and it took some effort to put together, but besides that, it was very flimsy. I mean, the screw holes didn't line up. The material felt cheap and felt like it could bend out of shape or break. I don't know. It was advertised as it could support up to 450 pounds, but me and my wife together weigh around 250 pounds, and it did not feel secure whatsoever. And it made sense because I only paid like less than 100 bucks. So I guess you get what you pay for. So after trying that out, I looked for some other options from Amazon and found some different types of hammock system, but the reviews weren't all that great. So I kind of stopped looking for one until Anymaka reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review their hammock system. And here we are today. And there's so much bug here. So let me put some bug spray on. I'll be right back, guys. Much better. Now, I know some of you might be saying, well, you could just get a hammock and tie it between the trees. And while that is absolutely true, and it's probably easy to do when you're backpacking into remote forest, but as a car camper or tent camper or even an overlander, it's mostly going to be in an open area like this place. And it's hard to find perfectly distanced trees that are also close to your car or your tent. And matter of fact, I actually have a hammock that I purchased a while ago, but never found a spot to be able to use it. And that's why you need a system like Anymaka hammock system. Now, Anymaka sent me their full pack combo, which includes a hammock in forest green color, but you could also get in sunset yellow or ocean blue, a canopy, a hammock stand, and a cup holder. But they also have a full pack enhanced combo that also includes mosquito netting, or you could just get the hammock set if you don't need the mosquito netting or the canopy. And if you don't need none of that, you could just get the stand and use your hammock, because the stand will work with any hammock, and we'll try putting my hammock later on this video. And whichever you get, you'll get this nice padded carrying bag that will house all the items. And just by looking at this carrying bag, they put a lot of effort making this nice carrying bag. And that tells you that the company cares about their product. Just look at how tough this is made with metal rings, heavy duty buckle, and you get this decent sized storage in front. And just take a look at the zipper. I can't believe how smooth this is. I mean, every company should be using the zipper. So yeah, I think they care a lot about their product. Now, this is my first time setting this up, and supposedly you could set the stand in 3 seconds. So here we go. What you want to do is grab the ends, and here we go. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I mean, how easy was that? And the stand feels very solid. And the frame is made out of aircraft grade aluminum. And with the rust-proof finish, this is going to last a long time. And the way it's designed with anti-slip materials at the bottom of each legs, you could use it in any type of environment without worrying about slipping. Now, let's put the hammock already. Okay, so grab our hammock, open it up, and there's a carabiner already attached to the hammock. And what you want to do is you want to loop it through this opening area and just attach the carabiner to this lever, and you could adjust the tension, and we'll go through that later. Let's go to the other side, do the same thing, and now we could adjust the tension. Maybe about here, about here. All right, so. My butt is touching, so maybe one more, just on this side. All right. Now, the hammock has 2 levels of adjustment. So as you see, this is the sitting height or sitting adjustment. And there's also a lounge adjustment. And to adjust for that, first loosen the tension on the hammock, and then lift this up and pull it out. Same thing on this side, loosen the tension, lift, and pull. See, immediately it got much more flat. Now we could lounge in here all day. This is so comfortable. Feel like I'm in a cocoon. I don't know, something about hammock system, it just feels like you're in this cocoon or enclosed safe space. I don't know, I just love it. And just laying here and watching this view is just heavenly. All right, and well, today is not sunny, but it does come with the canopy kit. So let's try putting the canopy. Take the poles out. Okay, and as you can see, it has shorter side and the longer side. And the longer side will go onto the hammock system like this. And simply just put it in between this opening. And they give you these screws, but look at this. Just in case if you lose it, they give you extra one. Very nice. And then line it up with the screw holes. And same thing on this side. This might be easier if you have it on the sitting portion. All right, here we go. And then grab the canopy cover and attach it with the buckle. Here we go. And just straighten it out. Now, if you need more tension to the canopy, there's a Velcro adjustment strap here, which then you could put it through the loop here. Put it in the ring. Put it like that. And the canopy is adjustable to follow along the sun all the way to 180 degrees. All right, now to put the cup holder, there's a little notch here. And I think that lines up with the holes. So let's go ahead and try that. Yep, snaps right in place. And to secure it, use the rubber strap. And just hook it to the other side. Perfect, there we go. Now, this is a pretty decent size cup holder. I'm sure you could fit a big tumbler in here. And you got a space for your cell phone. Oh, and it even has a hook to hang your keys or whatnot. Very nice. Now, the canopy is made with special fabric that blocks off 98% of UV and provides UPF 50 plus sun protection. Also has a water repellent coating. And now let's try putting my hammock. Well, my hammock fits on this too. Nice. Other key features are it supports up to 550 pounds. Folded dimensions are 40 by 7.5 by 9.5 inches. And when it's fully opened to lounge mode, it's 105 inches long by 44 inches tall. And the footprint is 62 by 44 inches. And the stand weighs 23 pounds, but the full pack combo, including the bag, weighs at 29 pounds and comes with a 2-year warranty. And if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link in the video description along with the discount codes. So what do you guys think? Do you see yourself using this hammock system on your next camping trip? Let me know in the comment section below. As for me, I definitely see myself using this more often, and I think it's a perfect fit for my style of camping. And not only for camping, but I see myself using this around the house, both in and outside, as I'm sure my daughter will love this. And at the beach, picnics, I mean, everywhere I go, I'll probably take this with me because of how easy it is to set up. I think it took less than, 2 minutes to set the whole system up, including the canopy. And it really doesn't take up a lot of trunk space either. So yeah, this will follow me everywhere I go. Now, some of the drawbacks are that it does weigh close to 30 pounds. But again, you're not purchasing this for your next backpacking trip. Also, the cost is a little on the expensive side. But when you compare it to the cheaper alternatives like I was able to do, you're going to think that the value is there for what it is, because there are none like this. With this kind of quality and ease of use, I think this is definitely worth every penny. And the way I see it, these type of product or system are an investment. Not in a sense where you're going to make money later, but you want your dollars to count and have a product that you're going to use over and over again for a long time to come without having any issues. And I get it, when I first started, I bought cheaper stuff, but I ended up buying more of the same product over and over again because it wasn't comfortable. It was too difficult to assemble, or it broke on me. So I ended up spending more money to replace those. So in that sense, this is an investment. I mean, you cry once and you buy once, right? But if I run into any problems or issues down the road, I'll definitely let you guys know. But for now, it gets my 2 thumbs up. And again, I'll leave the link and the discount code in the video description, so check it out for yourself. And that's all I have for you guys today. And if this video was informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And also check out my silent camping video to see how I actually use this while I'm camping. So thank you all for tuning in today. And until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video. Now I gotta get out of here before I get eaten alive by these mosquitoes.